Flashing in front of temple.
Last guy cave. Side.
Trying to get back into this retake, but Kiyasuke!
Nice!
Maxime!
It's a pistol, bratan! Oh my god, give me guy 5.
Only cave, boys, okay?
There's a chance. Monacy.
Получить 3 кейса по цене одного на Magic Drop по промокоду MDROP. Ссылка в шапке профиля.
One more.
Be
Let's
man,
fight,
we
let's
love
fight,
you.
guys, let's fight.
Fight. Dead.
Lobby, lobby.
One more cave.
One more lobby, yeah. It's coming out.
Against Saiwu!
Nice try, guys.
Let's go. Smokes.
Okay.
But here they come,
Break.
ready for the task. Smoke.
Flashing.
Camera, one camera. One camera still. One camera out. This guy is temple. He's running.
We should kill him.
He cannot be lobby. He can be only on side.
CT,
CT right side.
Nice!
I will smoke temple, guys, okay?
Here's the aggression vitality.
Smoke temple. Flash above cave. I will call away.
Behind one.
I have a
Flash above away.
He's rushing the
Two
down.
dead. One more behind water and one side dead.
Last one, guys.
Your channel.
Nice!
Two second mid, guys. 1 mid, we have mid. 1 border, guys, and 1 second mid.
What? Kiyasuke, will you check? Behind you, Apex is right there, but he's blind again. Kiyasuke, how is he alive? How is he getting away with it? No way!
Oh my god. Happened to me, bratan. It's crazy what happened to me.
Steps past Apex.
He gets blind when he turns around as well.
Yeah, he doesn't even hear the shots. Like, I mean, Apex isn't turned quite yet. He doesn't realize what's happening in that moment.